James Stephenson, owner of Precision Auto in West Springfield, Mass, and an elite business development coach. One of the questions I was asked recently is where to find good service advisors. And well, that's a really, really great question. One of the places that we have found works very, very well, because some of the conventional methods that we used to use years ago, such as newspaper ads and even social media posts and things like that to try to recruit employees, they don't hit quite as hard as they used to. So one of the things that I personally like to do, and I found a lot of other coaches and very successful shop owners like to do, is, and this may sound a little bit crazy, but it works very, very well. I like to go to restaurants, and I like to see a favorite server, somebody that interacts with a large amount of customers every single day. Somebody may, be upset, and I like to watch how, the waiter or the waitress actually interacts with the customers, bartenders, things like that. People that are used to being in that service industry and dealing with a high volume of customers, high volume of tickets, that type of thing. I personally, and a lot of other shop owners I found, have had very, very, very good success with converting them over to being service advisors. And then with Elite's program called the Masters program, get them all trained up and get them, ready, moving, and on board. But this has been a very, very successful method for myself, including a lot of other shop owners and business development coaches.